We briefly caught up with Aldi and his mother Diana at the airport, flanked by a local TV crew. He's crying because he wants a cigarette, his mother tells us. Showing us a scar, Diana says Aldi throws violent tantrums and vomits when he can't smoke. After I gave birth, I quit, Diana, who smoked throughout her pregnancy, says. I don't remember how he started, but one day we went to the market and then suddenly he had a cigarette in his hand. While we were interviewing Aldi, this man taunted him with a cigarette. He told us he thinks it's fine for kids to smoke, that he was just playing around with Aldi. The commission says the problem isn't just ignorance of the dangers of smoking. It's compounded by aggressive advertising by tobacco companies. Meanwhile, 168 nations have signed on to a treaty calling for health warnings and other anti-smoking measures.
Indonesia is the only country in Asia Pacific not to have ratified the World Health Organization's framework on tobacco control. Legislation has been in Parliament for years. When we called to ask about the delay, the spokesman for the Ministry of Health simply said, we're still discussing it.
This is just the tip of the iceberg, Mulyadi says. The number of child smokers are not only increasing, but they are getting younger as well. Aldi's mother says she's going to try to make him cut down and eventually quit, just as she and her husband have done. Meanwhile, the commission will continue to monitor his case.